What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG in this bleached coral colorway. Today's video is sponsored by Heflux. Heflux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell ETPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, you're going to find there's a suitable pair for anyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heflux for years now, and to me, I personally find them to be extremely comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So these are the Air Jordan 1 Lows in the bleached coral colorway, not to be confused with the high top version that I reviewed on my channel a couple of days back. So these retailed for a price of I believe $130 US or $180 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is black, white, and bleached coral. So just like most Air Jordan 1 Low releases, this isn't constructed in that true OG form, but instead we're given a slightly smaller swoosh and less eyelets compared to the standard OG Lows. But it seems like this is what Jordan Brand is giving us these days, so it's just one of those things you pretty much have to accept if you're going to be looking to buy a Jordan 1 Low. With that said though, diving into the details, on the toe box, the base layer here is constructed out of a pink colored suede, and it has this perforated finish to it just like all your other Air Jordan 1s. To the touch, this suede doesn't feel like it's the best cut of suede, it feels a little bit rough to the touch. And then surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have this black leather which is done in this cracked finish. This cracked black leather covers the eye stays of the shoe as well, and then underneath this we have a very soft white colored leather, which I thought looked pretty decent in terms of quality. Overlaid on top of this, we have a smooth black colored leather swoosh, and then wrapping it on the back of the shoe, we have more of that pink colored suede. And debossed on the very top, we have the shiny Air Jordan Wings logo done in this black color. As for the laces, these come with two different lace options. The standard default lace is a flat style black lace, but if you want to give this shoe a little bit more pop of color, they also give you another pair of pink colored laces as well. Underneath this, we have a traditional thin nylon tongue, which is finished in this black color, and on the top we have this Nike Air tag. The interior of the shoe is very lightly padded, and it's covered in this black colored mesh-like material. As for the insoles, so to my surprise once again, these come with a polyurethane insole as opposed to just your standard foam insole that Jordan 1s normally come with. It's finished in this pink color on top, and we have Nike Air branding stamped on the heel. So the upper of these Jordan 1 Lows sits atop this solid rubber cupsole which is painted in white, and encapsulated within this midsole but not visible to the eye, there is a Nike Air unit for cushioning and shock absorption. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, this is your standard Jordan 1 outsole, and it's entirely constructed out of a black colored rubber. We have the circular pivot point on the forefoot, and in the middle we have the Nike logo. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Jordan 1 Lows. And for those wondering about sizing, to me I felt like these ran true to size, so that's what I'd recommend for most people. Whatever size you normally wear for the Jordan 1, I feel like you can stick with that same size for this pair, and even if you normally go up a half size, I feel like because there's less padding on Jordan 1 Lows compared to the high tops, maybe it's just me, but I feel like they're definitely more accommodating for wide footers. So unless you have really wide feet, then I would probably recommend just sticking true to size. Next up in terms of the comfort, so the Jordan 1 Low, other than range of mobility because your ankles are freed up, the underfoot feeling pretty much feels identical to any other Air Jordan 1. With that said though, for just an everyday casual use shoe, they're going to be okay. Just don't expect anything too soft and don't expect too much cushioning underfoot. They feel pretty flat, pretty stable and low to the ground, and that's just how Jordan 1s normally feel. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so first off, material quality was a little bit of a mixed bag. Like I mentioned earlier, the suedes felt pretty rough to the touch, and it definitely didn't feel like the best cut of suede. This cracked black leather though, it felt decent, and the white leather I thought felt the best in terms of material quality. So generally speaking, I feel like overall quality was pretty average. And in terms of the overall build and craftsmanship, at least for this part, I felt like there were no issues at all on my pair. I didn't notice any glue stains, the stitching was pretty solid, so no complaints at all from that standpoint. So with all that out of the way now, let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these Jordan 1 Lows look on feet. This is probably the best time that Jordan Brand could have released this colorway, as I think this is an excellent colorway to wear in the summertime. Especially making this a low top, it just makes it a lot easier to wear when it's warmer outside. And I think this faded shade of pink is complemented perfectly with just enough black and white accents. It would have been nice if they gave us maybe a better quality of materials, and just like I said in the Stage Haze review, I'm not huge on this cracked leather, but for what it is, it's not the worst thing I've ever seen, and I still think this colorway is very, very nice. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Bleached Coral Air Jordan 1 Low. What are your overall thoughts on this specific colorway? And in general, are you a fan of the Jordan 1 Low? Do you normally just stick to highs? Or are you also a fan of mids too? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to hear what you guys have to say. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8. Check me out on Twitter as well at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review and hopefully it helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in my next review.